Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wagoneer Series 2 in River Rock. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, power liftgate, Hurricane twin turbo engines, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D7688.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.